This is how you make the keyboard larger on your iPhone. You can't make it much larger because you can't expand your screen or your phone or your device. So the change is not going to be that big, but every little bit counts if you need a bigger size keyboard. So hopefully this will be enough for your needs. So the first thing you got to do is go into the settings and then scroll down to display and brightness, and then scroll all the way down to display zoom. I have mine on default right now. If I tap on larger text, you can see in the screenshot, everything gets a little bit bigger. Pay special attention to the very bottom on, wait for it, this set right here. That piece is way smaller than that piece. That's how the keyboard's going to be affected as well. Just a little bit bigger. Just tap on that and then tap this check mark. Then it's got to reset after we tap on use zoomed. Not reset, but I don't know what it's doing. But it turns off the screen, does its thing, and then comes back. So now we have the zoomed in keyboard, which is now, believe it or not, a little bit bigger. It's hard to tell because we didn't have them side by side. Luckily I took some screenshots. Let's check those out. For some reason when I combined the screenshots, they weren't the same height. So it's tough to compare that way. So we're going to do it like this, where I'm going to swipe in the middle. And it's the same size screenshot right here. This one on the left is not zoomed in. The one on the right is zoomed in. And you can see the keyboard portion is a little bit higher. The keys are a little bit bigger. And like I said, they can't go too much bigger before they're non-functional. So there isn't that much space to work with, but it's a little bit, and hopefully that little bit helps with your needs. If you have value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know, and then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. If that's something you want to do, well, that's something you should be doing. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.